A moron. Look.
Oh God.
He's gonna get him.
Oh no! Jesus!
Holy fuck.
He really wants to get him.
I knew he was gonna get him. Yep. He's got him too.
Wow, that really was. I don't think the cops should really be going. Look at him. Holy! Do you see him?
He just drove on the fucking grass.
He's really after that guy.
He got him.
But look, he
That Charger was flying up the road, and that state cop come flying up the shoulder. Done. And I got it on camera too.
Hey, why hasn't he pulled him over yet?
He's just waiting.
It's a stadium.
He wants to know, yeah, the state cops patrol through the night. He was driving like a total asshole though, that cop.
Yeah,
He
I
rode
don't.
up,
I don't think that warranted that kind of recklessness.
There was a little, yeah, but that's because people run. But yeah, the cop was like, literally almost like fucking fishtailed on the highway.
The cop should have.
Lights are gonna come on now.
Well, did he really get him doing anything?
Oh, there you go. Oh, awesome.
That's not